This is the scolpitrice carving machine, can carve on flat surfaces. And this is the spindle carver for the scolpitrice, where you can carve multiple individual legs or spindles. Gavin here from GFP Machines. I want to show you a new machine that's come out of the workshop. This is called the scolpitrice. It's a carving machine. It's got 6 heads. It's a very unique machine. Not many people know about it, so I'd like to introduce it to you. So the basic idea is you have a master carved leg or pattern that you want on a beam, and then you would go with your roughing cutter. Each head here out of the 6 heads will get on the rough side, get a bigger cutter put into it. And then on the alternate side will be the fine work cutter, and I'll show you how it flips over. So the operator of the machine will basically take it down and follow this point backwards and forwards to mill out and get a rough shape of this thing on 6 different legs. Once he's got it to a rough design or close enough to where he wants to go, he basically rotates the head to the fine needle side, where this will get put into all the different heads, and then you'll continue carving. And because you've got a finer needle, you'll be able to get into the pattern a lot better. So this is fantastic for guys that are doing carved legs, intricate leg work. It allows the carver to do one carved leg, and then you can replicate that carved piece over and over again, which is fantastic for workshops. The good thing about this is that this is the spindle copier, and then we've got a flat table copier as well, which comes with the machine. It's a fantastic machine. You don't see these in the market a lot. If you're doing lots of carvings, this is the machine you need to look for.